Want to ditch the inventory headaches and unlock the freedom of online business? Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on creating your own dropshipping empire with Shopify. First, pinpoint a niche you're passionate about. Think trendy pet accessories, eco-friendly home goods, or maybe even unique phone cases. Next, unearth those goldmine products. Use tools like Google Trends and product research apps to spot items with high demand and low competition, ensuring maximum profit potential. Now, let's transform your Shopify store into a customer magnet. Choose a theme that screams your brand, customize it to perfection with your logo, colors, and fonts, and ensure it looks fantastic on both desktop and mobile devices. Time to supercharge your store. Install apps for seamless product sourcing, automated order fulfillment, and marketing magic, saving you tons of time and effort. Drive traffic and watch those sales soar. Implement SEO best practices, engage your audience on social media, and explore the power of targeted ads to reach your ideal customers. Remember security. Set up measures to protect your customers' sensitive information. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to building a thriving dropshipping business with Shopify, unlocking financial independence and the freedom to work from anywhere. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. #Shopify Dropshipping #ECOMMERCE tips.